If you have ever seen Russia's SU-57 stealth fighter jet flying, you'll notice a whistling sound. But why, if it is a stealth fighter, SU-57 has this weird noise? Well, this isn't just a cool sound, it actually has a purpose. These sound waves jet engines create can disrupt radar signals, making it harder for enemies to track. This trick, called acoustic cloaking, adds another layer of stealth. When you combine that with its sleek design and radar-absorbing materials, the SU-57 becomes a seriously tough target and a big threat on the battlefield.